DJI Mini 2 Fly More Combo Drone with Camera, Small Gray Ultralight and Folding Design, 3-axis Gimbal Ultra 4K Video, 12MP Camera 199 grams or less, maximum flight time 18 minutes, maximum transmission distance 6 kilometers. Intelligent mode and quick shot. Easy to fly on a light trip, the DJI Mini 2 is surprisingly light and weighs less than 199 grams. It's lighter than an apple and is about the size of a palm. Compact and easy to use, the Mini 2 is the perfect tool to capture your favorite moments as an essential tool to make your trip enjoyable. 3-axis gimbal with 4K camera, you can shoot 4K 30fps videos with a 12MP camera, and the Mini 2 with a gimbal with a 3-axis motor guarantees smooth and excellent image quality, no matter how aggressive you fly. OcuSync 2.0 video transmission, Mini 2 supports HD video transmission of up to 6 kilometers and has excellent interference resistance, so you can fly farther and check clear images. Powerful performance. The DJI Mini 2 has a battery life of up to 18 minutes, giving you plenty of time to compose the perfect shot. It can withstand wind speeds of 29 to 38 km/h and can fly up to an altitude of 3,000 meters, so the image is stable even when taking aerial shots on windy coastlines or dense and high mountains. 4x zoom, you don't have to get close to the ideal shot. Quick shot, DJI Mini 2 automatically records and shoots videos that look like they were shot by a professional with just a few taps. You can share it immediately on SNS. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced expert, the DJI Fly app lets you create impressive videos with BGM and filters. The DJI Mini 2 is very small, yet powerful and high performance. You can easily carry it around and fly it. Since the aircraft automatically hovered in the air, no difficult operations are required, and even beginners can intuitively enjoy aerial photography. Since the video being shot is also displayed on the smartphone in real time, you can easily shoot the video you envision. Furthermore, you can automatically return with one touch, and it will be smooth even after shooting. Start aerial photography with DJI Mini 2's exceptional functionality, amazing high image quality, and originality. Professional-like automatic shooting, DJI Mini 2 is equipped with an automatic shooting mode that allows you to shoot from various angles. Simply tap your smartphone to decide what you want to shoot, and you can automatically shoot and record videos that look like they were shot by a professional. Video editing with one touch, various creative templates are available for the editing function of the app. Since you can perform a series of tasks such as flying, shooting, editing, and SNS sharing by tapping the smartphone, you can create a video on the go and share it as it is. 4K camera 4x zoom, you can shoot 4K 30fps video. Equipped with a 3-axis motor gimbal that suppresses camera shake, you can always shoot with smooth and excellent image quality, no matter how aggressive you fly around. Also, when shooting at different distances and compositions, you can easily change the composition using the 4x digital zoom. Super lightweight 199 grams, the DJI Mini 2 is surprisingly light and weighs 199 grams. It's lighter than an apple and is about the size of a palm. Compact and easy to use, the Mini 2 is the perfect tool to capture your favorite moments as an essential tool to make your trip enjoyable. 18 minutes flight time, the DJI Mini 2 can fly up to 18 minutes. It can withstand winds equivalent to Beaufort Scale 5 and can fly up to an altitude of 3,000 meters, so the image is stable even when shooting aerial shots on windy coastlines or dense and high mountains. Optimized photo, the app has built-in features that allow you to smartly optimize your photos. After downloading the photo, the app will automatically improve the image quality to make the photo vibrant and clear in detail. Editing tasks that you've been wondering about have been simplified, and you can get great photos right away.